Let's go. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
So for today, we will be doing problem number 14 in Chapter 5, Lesson 2. This is by Marinaa5, Andrea Marinaa5, and Lauren Heckman. The problem is, find the coordinates of the orthocenter of triangle JKL with the given vertices, J as 3, -2, K as 5, 6, and L as 9, -2. Step 1 is to graph the points to form a triangle. So we would get J and go to the right 3 and down 2 because it's -2. Then we get K and go to the right 5 and go up 6 because it's positive. Last, for L, we would go to the right 9 and down 2. Step number 2 would be to find the slopes of JK and KL. To do that, for JK, we would plug in -2 minus 6 over 3 minus 5, which would then equal -8 over -2, and then 4. Then we would find the perpendicular slope, which is the negative reciprocal, which is -1/4. Now, to find the slope for KL, we would plug in 6 plus 2 over 5 minus 9. Then that would become 8 over -4, which is then -2. After, we would do the same thing and find the perpendicular slope, which is half. For step number 3, we would have to find the equation of altitude for J and L using the slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. For J, it would be -2 equals half times 3 plus b. Then y equals half x minus 3.5. For L, it would be -2 equals -1/4 times 9 plus b. Then that would be y equals -1/4 x plus 1/4. For step number 4, we would substitute the equations into each other to solve for x. Then use x to solve for y by plugging in x into one of the equations. First, we would do half x minus 3.5 equals -1/4 x plus 1/4. Then x would equal 5. Next, we would do y equals -1/4 times 5 plus 1/4, which would make y equals -1. Once we figure that out, we can find the coordinates of the orthocenter. Since we know that x equals 5 and y equals -1, the coordinates for the orthocenter are 5, -1. To make sure this is right, you can simply form two perpendicular lines and see where they intersect. And since the coordinates are 5, -1, we would go 5 to the right because it's +5, and 1 down because it's -1. So the answer for this problem is that the coordinates of the orthocenter of triangle JKL are 5, -1. Thank you!